Legally replaced for healthy and progressive conduct of the forthcoming. Yeah, so transparent. Is it? Good afternoon, madam. Is what you call a complaint against designated Mizoram election expenditure observers by all parties candidates matters regarding.
All parties.
Yeah, all parties. So what happened is that we are. This is a copy.
And you are all from which party?
Yeah,
He's from ZPM, and he's from Congress, PSC, like that. All six of us are there.
You want to talk about it?
Not really. Please go through it carefully, and try to see your an officer DC from this Mizo Kader. So other people might not understand our sentiments, tribal sentiments. So please go through it carefully, and if possible, discuss with them also. And please inform them that we are not very happy about this, and we have already sent it to ECI also. Okay, so kindly take care of this, and let's have a fair and free election.
Yes.
Yeah, please. Okay.
If it is possible to replace him.
Yeah, that's what we're asking.
That will have
No, that the ECI will take this thing, but that is our demand because we're not really happy with them, frankly speaking.
I'll take it up.
Yeah, this is not a matter about you. We just want to we want to give you only a copy for your reference. Okay, thank you, madam. Yeah. Tell her. It is unfortunate that such things should happen, but then sometimes you cannot help it.